Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its Delhi weather briefing. Yesterday's depression over southwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal crossed north Tamil Nadu coast near Chennai during the evening hours of 17:30 to 18:30 hours IST, uh, with a wind speed of 45 to 55 kmph, gusting to 65 kmph. This depression later on at uh, 0 UTC of today, that is 0530 hours IST of today, has weakened into a well marked low pressure area, and later on it weakened into a low pressure area over north interior Tamil Nadu and neighborhood. So it is lying as a low pressure area over north interior Tamil Nadu and neighborhood. So under the influence of this depression, Rayalaseema and Tamil Nadu have reported isolated very heavy rainfall at 4 to 5 stations, and heavy rainfall at more than 10 stations over Rayalaseema and more than 15 stations over Tamil Nadu. YSR district, Kanyakumari district, uh, Chittoor district of Rayalaseema and Kanyakumari of Tamil Nadu have reported very heavy rainfall of the order of 15 to 17 centimeter. Also, Idukki district of Kerala has reported 14 centimeter rainfall, and Nellore of coastal Andhra Pradesh, station name is Tada, has reported 11 centimeter rainfall. So, as far as weather warning for next 5 days is concerned, so current if you look into current weather system, then it is the low pressure area, as we saw, it is over north interior Tamil Nadu. There was another low pressure area over central parts of central and adjoining South Arabian Sea. That low pressure area has become less marked today, and only associated remnant cyclonic circulation is lying over Southeast Arabian Sea, and also there is an upcoming low pressure area over South Andaman Sea and neighborhood. So this low pressure area, which is over north interior Tamil Nadu and neighborhood, a trough is extending from this low pressure area to north coastal Odisha across coastal Andhra Pradesh. In view of that, we can see the intense convection over South Odisha and North coastal Andhra Pradesh. So this trough is going to persist during next 48 hours, and under the influence of this, coastal Andhra Pradesh, North coastal Andhra Pradesh is likely to receive heavy rainfall at isolated places, and Odisha, South Odisha is likely to receive heavy rainfall at isolated places for next 2 days. This trough again, when this low pressure area is likely to persist for next 2 days. After that, once it becomes less marked, another trough is likely to form along the west coast, and under the influence of that, this thunder rainfall and thunderstorm activity is likely to increase over southern parts of even up to central parts of Maharashtra. So, isolated to scattered light to moderate rainfall is likely over southern parts of Maharashtra during 13th to 16th of November. As far as southern peninsular India is concerned, so Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and South interior Karnataka are likely to continue to receive isolated heavy rainfall, although major that extremely heavy and very heavy rainfall activity has ceased over these regions, over especially over Tamil Nadu region. This rainfall activity over Tamil Nadu, as we saw, has decreased yesterday as compared to day before yesterday, and today it is likely to substantially decrease, and only light rainfall at most places over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and South India Karnataka, and isolated heavy rainfall at one or two stations is likely over these three subdivisions during next 5 days. Over Kerala, although on 13th and 14th, even very heavy rainfall at one or two stations may be realized. If we look into the sea area warning, then today during next 24 hours, 40 to 50 kmph gusting to 60 kmph winds are likely over Gulf of Mannar, Comorin area, southeast Arabian Sea of Kerala coast. After that, this warning would not remain there, but as there is also a system upcoming low pressure area. Uh, a cyclonic circulation is lying over Gulf of Thailand and neighborhood, extending up to 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level, tilting southwestwards with height. This cyclonic circulation is likely to emerge into central parts of Andaman Sea during next 24 to 36 hours, and under its influence, a low pressure area is likely to form over central parts of Andaman Sea during by tomorrow. So once this low pressure area forms, so in view of that, we have given 40 to 50 kmph gusting to 60 kmph wind warning for southern parts of Andaman Sea, and then this low pressure area is likely to move west northwestwards and concentrate into a depression during subsequent 48 hours. So in view of that, this wind warning over southern Andaman Sea is likely to increase to 45 to 55 kmph, and this wind warning for 15th of November is for southeast Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Island, adjoining Andaman Sea and adjoining central parts of Bay of Bengal. On 16th of November, 45 to 55 kmph, gusting to 65 kmph. Wind warning is there for southeast, adjoining southwest and central Bay of Bengal. So, please download our apps, Mosam app, Damini app, and Meghdoot app, and follow our social media handles. We will tomorrow again meet with weather warning for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.